Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. We have a lot of deodorant on clearance on the website, and it's just kind of making this a freebie, a moneymaker, and a little bit of magic over at Walgreens. But the first piece of business I want to touch on is this morning, a lot of us got boosters in our digital coupons folder at the very top. 15 back when you spend 60 online only, and a 10 back when you spend anything either online or in store. And these both start on Sunday the 16th. Load them right now, and we can start playing with them on the 16th. Very critical. Okay, so we're doing these as a curbside pickup because I got some intel that if you try to do this in store with these clearance deodorants, the register reward is not printing because this is curbside and in store. But curbside, you will get your $8 of Walgreens cash. In store, that register reward isn't printing. So just to save yourself a little bit of stupidity, let's do this curbside, which means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. I always show you that little thing, but I'm pretty sure many of you know what that looks like. But that's how we'll be doing these deals this morning. There is also this Gillette deodorant that is on part of the clearance, and there's $1 back on Ibotta with a limit of up to 3. If you could try and track down 3, it's an even bigger moneymaker with Ibotta. You will have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register, so you get a physical receipt to photograph to Ibotta. Let's get right into this with deal number 1. Again, we're doing this curbside. If you might have this friend, the 5 back when you spend 15, we're going to utilize it for this little deal, and this is a pretty easy one. We're going to be throwing in one of these Gillette sprays. So if you can grab a bunch of these, I mean, with the 5 off 3, the Ibotta, it's a huge money maker for you. Unfortunately, I was somewhat limited at the store with just simply one, but one is better than none. To get the basket to work for me, I also threw in 3 of these secret sprays, and I don't mind these because I actually use this one, and I also have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon to go with. And yes, I can check Ibotta as the week progresses with my receipt, like possibly, can I use this later, so on and so forth. And I'm going to get my $8 back with the Gillette and these. So just to show you guys, the overall total is $18.21. WAG 10 would not attach. Free curbside pickup and tax, and my $6 digital melting off. So with my debit card, I'm going to pay $13.30 as I have that booster of spend so much to earn so much back, spend 15 to earn back 5. So what I am getting back is $13 in Walgreens cash, 8 for the promotion on Gillette, and then 5 for my booster. And then I'm going to photograph my receipt for an extra $1 back from Ibotta, making my transaction free plus $1 moneymaker, which is absolutely fantastic. It even covers the tax in this instance. So if you want to line this one up, I would do this deal right away because I think a lot of people are going to be clearing this deodorant in the next day or so. Deal number 2, we're taking this in a different avenue. Again, you have your booster loaded, and if you don't have this booster, it'll just be $5 more. But if you can track down those Gillettes, it will be like probably free for you. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing a lot of the, it's like a superhero character, like the one with Batman, those characters. They're also part of the clearance. And remember, guys, as I was stating, if you were going to try to do this in store, that register reward is not printing on the clearance. So unless your manager is going to give you $8 in Walgreens cash, you might be, running up a mountain backwards and they're not going to help you out. So I'm just throwing in the different super characters. We have Batman, we have Superman. I can't believe I got those 2 right. And I'm still a little bit short for the 4th deodorant, so I just threw in one of these secrets, and it's 50% off, and so why not? You can find the Gillettes. It's way better because you have that Ibotta component. But if you can't, secret for $2.99, and this is one that I actually use, so I'm very happy to get a secret clinical. Always fantastic. So let's take a peek at this basket, friends. We have $16.46. So for the spend 15, earn back 5, you're there. $5 manufacturer melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $12.45. You're getting back $13 in Walgreens cash, making 4 deodorants completely for free. which is absolutely fantastic. Now, alternatively, if you do not have that $5 booster, it's going to be $8 back. So it's still a fantastic price point. If you've looked at the price of deodorant recently, it's gone really, really expensive. I think some of the ingredients come overseas, and that's why the price has gone really sky high. Before I take off into the big sunset, yesterday afternoon, I posted this video for the Dollar General clearance event that's starting on Friday the 14th. Check it out. A lot of this stuff too is in the regular aisles. They have not pulled it for the event. So if your store is as disorganized as mine, which I love, you might be able to score a lot of this stuff for the week-long clearance event. Very easy, basic video. Even if you're a hardcore pharmacy shopper, you might want to start shopping at the Dollar General just to get a couple extra items for Christmas. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.